How to change your iPhone password. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your settings. Then once you're in your settings, you're gonna have to scroll down slowly till you see Face ID and password. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to put in your password. Then once you put in your password, you're gonna have to scroll down, click on change password, just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to put in your old password, so the current password right now. Once you put that in, it should say enter your new password, so just click on that. You have two options. You can click on password options. You could put words, but I'm gonna just go with 4-digit code, and I'm gonna just put in my birthday. Then as you guys can see, if your password is weak, they should tell you, but I'm gonna just click on use anyway. Verify new password. I'm gonna just put it in again. Then it should take a while. It should say change password. It should say the loading thing right here. So just wait a few minutes. It should take a while. Then once you're done, your password just changed. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.